As an engineer, I do tend to be a little more critical when I'm looking at buildings. I might look at lighting, how much you could save if you changed out those to something much more efficient. Maybe it needs a new heating system or new cooling system or new windows. I might see if there's solar on the roof. And sometimes I have been known to say, hey, I've got some software we could use to help you figure out exactly what's going on in your buildings. My name is Alexis Abramson. I'm professor and dean at the Climate School at Columbia University. I love thinking about a problem and coming up with the solution that is going to benefit everybody. My research over the years have been focused on how do we uncover new things about how heat flows or how heat can be manipulated. And more recently, I've been exploring how to use what limited information we have about buildings in order to save energy. That then leads to an overall reduction in energy consumption for the country, for the globe, and again, a reduction in emissions that comes with it. So we're all contributing to mitigating climate change for the world. We still operate many buildings the way we did many decades ago. And really, I saw it almost like a low-hanging fruit opportunity as an engineer to be able to say, I think there's some more opportunity to have impact on the system side. We've taken whole building electricity data and running it through some machine learning and sophisticated data analytics algorithms. We look at patterns in the data, and that points then to how much heating does that building use? How much cooling does that building use? How much is for lighting? Even more, we're able to study thousands of buildings, and we're able to learn from comparing and contrasting across those thousands of buildings to uncover more and more sort of deep insights about what to do in order to save energy in that building. Replacing lighting with LED light can save about just 10% energy in a commercial building. Adding some more smart controls can save up to 30%. Replacing heating and cooling systems, that can be upwards of 30, 40, even 50% savings. So there's a lot of opportunity for retrofit of buildings. And then of course, as we construct new buildings, making sure we're doing it to the highest standards possible. I hope that the work that we've done and the work that we will continue to do will lead to real quantifiable energy savings in buildings across the world. If we can save energy, then we don't have to make renewable energy systems as big. So why don't we do a better job trying to save as much energy as possible? So ultimately, all of those reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emissions we're putting into the atmosphere. That is going to benefit everybody.